Men over 50, listen closely. Every year after 50, testosterone drops by about 1%. That may sound small, but by 60, nearly half your natural supply is gone. Energy fades, drive slips away, confidence feels different. But here's the surprising truth. You don't need exotic pills, painful treatments, or complicated routines to fight back. The answer could already be sitting in your kitchen, inside your morning coffee. Yes, the same drink you've had for decades can be turned into a natural engine for stronger energy, sharper focus, and yes, better performance. Not with gimmicks, not with hype, but with a handful of natural ingredients backed by real science and centuries of use. Let's start with the coffee you're drinking now. It does a few things right. It wakes you up, it gives you focus, it gets blood flowing, but it also works against you. It spikes blood sugar, then crashes it. It gives you the jitters, then leaves you drained before lunch. And while caffeine gets things moving, it does nothing for the deeper issues men face after 50. Hormones sliding down, blood vessels stiffening, circulation slowing. That's why coffee alone is like putting regular gas in a sports car. It runs, but it never reaches its true performance. Now imagine this. You take that same cup, add just a few natural ingredients, and suddenly it works for you, not against you. Your blood sugar stays steady. Your circulation improves. Your energy holds all day. And your performance, mental, physical, and yes, intimate, rises to levels you thought were gone. This isn't a supplement. This isn't expensive. This is 5 simple ingredients you can buy in any grocery store. Let's go one by one. First, cinnamon. Real Ceylon cinnamon, not the fake stuff in the baking aisle. Half a teaspoon in your morning cup changes everything. Here's why. When you eat carbs, your blood sugar shoots up and crashes. That damages blood vessels, especially the tiny ones that supply energy where men need it most. Cinnamon smooths this out. It keeps blood sugar steady. It protects arteries. It helps your body release more nitric oxide, the very same molecule used in prescription treatments for male vitality. Mark, one of my 58-year-old patients, tried this for just 3 weeks. He said it felt like flipping a switch. No more mid-morning crash. No more desperate second cup by 10 a.m. Just calm, steady energy that lasted. Second, cocoa powder. Not sweetened cocoa mix. Not hot chocolate. Real, unsweetened, dark cocoa. 1 teaspoon stirred in. Cocoa is rich in flavonoids. These compounds relax blood vessels and improve circulation naturally. Studies show up to 30% better blood flow in men who use it daily. That means more oxygen, more stamina, more power throughout the body. But cocoa does more than open blood vessels. It triggers dopamine, the brain's own pleasure chemical. You feel good. You feel sharp. One of my patients told me it was like getting my confidence back, 1 cup at a time. Third, maca powder, known as Peru's vitality root. It grows high in the Andes at 14,000 feet, where only the toughest plants survive. Maca doesn't work like quick fixes. It's not a stimulant, it's an adaptogen. That means it helps your body adapt, restore balance, and rebuild from the inside out. Research shows men who take maca daily report higher desire, more stamina, and improved performance after 2 to 3 weeks. It works by gently supporting hormone production, not forcing it. It's steady, it's natural, and it lasts. Tom, 54, described it perfectly. It felt like someone turned the lights back on. Suddenly I had clarity, energy, and desire. Fourth, coconut oil. I know it sounds strange in coffee, but 1 teaspoon blended in creates a rich, creamy drink that powers you for hours. Why? Because coconut oil is full of medium-chain fats. Your body burns them quickly for fuel. No crashes. No mid-morning hunger. Just smooth, steady power that lasts until lunch. And those healthy fats also support testosterone production, fueling your body to rebuild what age is slowly taking away. Finally, ginger. Fresh, grated, and stirred right in. It gives your coffee a warm kick, but more importantly, it fights inflammation, it improves blood flow, And in clinical studies, men who added ginger daily saw a 17% boost in testosterone after just 90 days. That's not theory. That's measurable, life-changing biology. And when paired with cinnamon, cocoa, and maca, ginger amplifies the effect even more. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds complicated. It's not. Here's how to start. Step 1. Add cinnamon. Half a teaspoon each morning for 2 weeks. Step 2. Add cocoa. 1 teaspoon along with cinnamon. Step 3. Slowly add the others week by week. Maca, coconut oil, ginger. Don't rush. Your body needs time to adjust. But if you stick with it, you'll feel the change. Steady energy, better focus, improved circulation, more drive. And for men who want to go all in, here's my weekend power coffee recipe. 1 cup of hot coffee, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, half teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder, 1 small piece of fresh ginger. Blend for 30 seconds. It foams like a latte, it tastes amazing, and it works. Here's my challenge to you. Pick just one ingredient. Start tomorrow. Do it every morning for 30 days. Keep a simple journal. Write down your energy, your mood, your performance in the gym, at work, and in the bedroom. Most men notice such a difference. They make it permanent. You don't need to accept decline as normal. You don't need to believe the best days are behind you. With a few small changes to your morning routine, your body can come back stronger, sharper, more alive. So tomorrow morning, when you reach for that cup of coffee, remember this. Remember that your coffee can be more than a wake-up call. It can be your daily fuel for vitality, confidence, and strength. If this message helped you, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more real solutions for men's health after 50. Your best days aren't in the past. They're waiting in your coffee cup.